Let's see if the game, oh my god, the game loaded. And it's so loud. Oh, now it's telling me I do the refiner. Okay, construct a portable refiner, craft metal plating. Red of one, I don't have any, okay. I think I can make, that's the one I can make, right? No, that was a different kind of metal, maybe. Metal plating, but I need craft metal plating? Same thing, question mark? Okay. Oh, I hold E on it? What? Oh, did I get enough off that? Okay, I'm just gonna go back over here because I'm gonna assume it's, since it's portable, I don't know if that means I get to carry it on me or if it actually gets like put up. Oh, yeah, okay. I'm gonna put it up here on the sun. Oh, and now we need to input ferrite dust, right? Okay, I also need a life support. Put some oxygen in there, even though I need that. Whatevs. I could be like, watch out! I'm assuming that's what I was going for, right? Alright, I'm just doing this and just seeing what happens here. I go, oh, to tell me, pure ferrite. Oh, cool. And I will take this to my exosuit. I didn't need to do that. But that's okay. We should have enough. Yep. Thank you, M like that, for the host. Oh my god. Freaking goober. It says small rocks. Do I have to, I can use big rocks. Yeah, I'm still getting it. Because I'm actually, maybe I shouldn't have. I'm hoping this is, I think this is all we had to do to repair the ship. Guys, I think the ship's ready. I think it's ready. Bro, you can run Roblox on Nokia. Is that true? Is that facts, bro? You better not be messing with me. Ooh, use W to take off. Is that it? Oh. Oh. Bro, hold up. Oh my god, can I do... What? Emily, look. I made spaceship. Emily! I made spaceship.
Congrats.
Is anybody else about to throw up? Whoa! Okay, how do I lift up? What the heck, it shoots? So, have I basically, like, finished the... I assume I was doing a tutorial. And now I'm pretty much done with that. So now I'm just, like, free to roam the planet. Should I just leave the planet, pretty much? Oh. I see, I have, yes. Now I see what you're saying. Dude, I'm like freaking, I'm flying my X-Wing right now, you guys don't want me. Am I looking for a planet here? Yeah, you aim with the mouse, but it's like delayed though, like it's hard to describe, it's weird. I'm sure eventually I'll get used to it, but I'm not a fan right now. I'm not? What? Excuse me? Oh, planetary coordinate. I'm gonna put him in. We're gonna go there.
Alert. Navigational data received.
Alright, let me just find him real quick. Alright, bet. We're going fast, boys. Yeah, the gameplay is pretty cool. It's advanced for sure, in my opinion, but it's definitely really cool. Alright, we need to land. Oh. Easy peasy. I'm a pilot now. You guys don't want me on the court. You're doing great, sweetie. I don't know what I'm doing. I got this far, okay? I passed the tutorial. Pew! Yeah, I just don't know how to build walls now. Alright, well, you know what? We got the basics down. I don't think my brain can handle much more. And, yeah. I'm going to send you guys off on a raid. So let me go ahead and get that command going. So, Subnautica, I've seen that, yeah, yep. I actually saw you watching it, so, yeah. All right, well, we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out.